ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ನನಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್?
Tomorrow it's being listed in the trial court.
So what?
It can be taken by 2:30 because.
No, sir. No, give it. Yes. Monday it's already full, give it. Yes.
Tuesday also.
No, sir, give it. No date. It will come. Fresh memos will come. Every day I'll take fresh matters, but no dates. All matters which have not reached and no interim orders, we have posted them. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಮೆಹರ್ಬಾನಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ? ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋ FLW ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. It will come, give it, sir. Vacating stay on the designated days will come, give it. So what, sir? Fresh matter, right? Pending matters, please give. No dates in pending matters, please. It is vacated by an order, I will not take it. Maybe sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. ನೋ ಸರ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, so what, give it.
Lordship
Let the charge be framed, no problem. It will not become infructuous. Monday ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Why NBW sir? Why NBW? Give it.
My lord,
Nothing.
my lord, sir, one submission, my lord.
Supporting applications, my lord. Kindly please
Call the
don't give me,
case. Yes.
My lord, expedition,
Please give the
one
memos,
submission,
please.
my lord, one submission, my lord.
No submissions, give the memos.
She is in JC, my lord.
Why sir?
Bail application also filed,
rejected,
but they posted for 25 to further hearing.
No.
In bailable nature, my lord. All the offences are bailable in nature.
Nothing. Give it.
ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸರ್.
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
JC in my lord.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
16 from
What to do,
16
sir? Bail
bailable
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
nature,
Bail
my lord. My lord.
Bail ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 482 ನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್
Bail
ಡಿಟೆನ್ಷನ್.
application reject ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 482 is the remedy?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಡಿಟೆನ್ಷನ್, my lord.
What
ಇನ್ನ
illegal
bailable nature.
Bailable nature, bail ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Don't convert this court to a bail court, sir.
Your lordship, at the end of the list, your lordship.
Wait, how long do I have to sit to take the memo? I'm not sitting at 10 o'clock to take the memos. Please give the memos. Yes, call the cases.
My lord, one submission.
Memos, nothing.
My
My
lord,
lord.
one submission.
No, there was
Give
a
the
memos,
stay, my
sir.
lord. My lord.
Please give the memos. Don't waste time on memos. Please give all the memos. Please give all the memos, sir. Give it, sir. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. Let it be, sir. Give it. What were you doing till now, sir? ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ನನಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. Give it fast. We'll see, sir. Give it. Yes.
This is a 138 matter series.
So what? ಎಷ್ಟು? What matters?
Tomorrow it's being listed in the trial court.
So what?
It can be taken by 2:30 because.
No, sir. No, give it. Yes. Monday it's already full, give it. Yes.
Tuesday also.
No, sir, give it. No date. It will come. Fresh memos will come. Every day I'll take fresh matters, but no dates.
Settlement, my lord. Will be filing copy of the ARS, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Give it. It will come, Bharat. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ next Monday ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ, ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord.
All matters which have not reached and no interim orders, we have posted them. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಮೆಹರ್ಬಾನಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ? Give it. No FLW ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. It will come, give it, sir. Vacating stay on the designated days will come, give it. So what, sir? Fresh matter, right? Pending matters, please give. No dates in pending matters, please. And then we will list it in 2027. Give it. Yes.
It is vacated due to non-compliance of office objection. We have
Correct agide. Then no indulgence. Give it. Let it come. Give it.
My lord.
What to do, sir? Why did you not comply with the office objections? No, sir. Give it. If it's vacated, I am not going to grant it again. Give it. Yes. No, sir. I am not going to. No indulgence in carelessness or default. Give it. You should be prudent, sir. You should be careful in complying with the orders. Give it. No indulgence, sir. Maybe, sir. Yararu irbodu. It is your default, right? Then give it. It is vacated by an order. I will not take it. Maybe, sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. No, sir. Nothing.
My lord.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So what? Give it.
Lordship
Let
kindly.
the charge be framed, no problem. It will not become infructuous. Monday ಆಗಲ್ಲ, sir. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೂ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ.
With lordship,
ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೊಡಿ.
with lordship kindly,
Give it sir.
in this matter, this is a Bangalore stampede case.
Giving the memos,
Stampede
I take
case.
it. Otherwise, I am not going to take any memo, I'll start the cases.
Bangalore
sir.
Please give
stampede
the
case
memo.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ, the
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ
final
ಅರ್ಥ
report,
ಮಾಡೋಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ?
Bangalore stampede case ಅಲ್ಲಿ, I am for the prosecution.
Ah.
Here in this matter, the final report is already ready. There is an order passed by this honorable court that I should seek the leave of this court to file the final report.
ಆಯ್ತು,
It
ಕೊಡಿ.
kindly be listed on 24th, my lord, sir. I can imagine.
ಅದ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ madam.
24.
Only for that purpose ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
24th.
No problem sir, give it sir. Monday ಇಲ್ಲ, give it.
Batch.
ಬೇಡವಾ? You don't give the memo, don't give the memo. I can't give dates. I'm not giving dates sir, give it.
My lords, if I make a submission.
No date please, give it.
My lord,
ಯಾಕೆ NBW? Why NBW sir? Why NBW? Give it.
My lord,
Nothing.
my lords, it's a one submission, my lord.
Opening applications, my lord. Kindly please
Call the
to my lord.
cases, yes.
My lord, protest
Please
petition,
give the
one
memos,
submission,
please.
my lord, one submission, my lord.
No submissions, give the memos.
My lords, it's not fresh matter, my lord, it's covered by
Matters will
judgment,
come
my lords.
from Monday, it is already full, I told you. Give it.
My lord,
My lord,
2:30 matter.
next
Monday is
day.
already full.
My lord's next date may be given.
No, I did, I'm not giving. Give it.
My lord, it's covered
I'm
by
not giving
judgment.
date, madam. On from Tuesday, 50 matters will come, it will come.
At
My
the
lord,
end of the
2:30
list,
matter, my lord,
lord.
available.
Give it, give all,
Offense are bailable in nature.
no problem.
Offense, he is in JC, my lord.
Why, sir?
Bail application also filed,
Rejected,
but they
huh?
posted for 25 to further hearing.
No,
In bailable nature, my lord.
No,
All the
sir,
offenses are bailable in nature.
nothing, give it.
ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸರ್.
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
Offense JC, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
16 from
What to do,
16
sir? Bail
bailable
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
nature,
Bail
my lord. My lord.
Bail ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 482 ನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್
Bail
ಡಿಟೆನ್ಷನ್,
application reject ಆಗದಿದ್ರೆ 482 is the remedy?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಡಿಟೆನ್ಷನ್, my lord.
What
ಇನ್ನ
illegal
ಬೇಲಬಲ್ ನೇಚರ್.
Bailable nature bail ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೊಡಿ.
ಬೇಲಬಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, my
At
lord.
the end of the list, your lordship.
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಡಮ್. 2:30 ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
2:30 ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Your lordship,
ನಾಳೆ
ನಾಳೆ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
ಇದೆ.
Give it.
Settlement matter, my lord. At least tomorrow.
Settlement matter. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ? I don't know. 2:30 ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
your lordship.
Very good. File it here. Please don't convert this court to a bail court, sir.
Tomorrow.
Your lordship, at the end of the list, your lordship.
Wait. Yes. What were you doing at that time? ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಲು.
This is also tomorrow.
Tomorrow give it.
Your lordship.
My lord,
Tomorrow.
protest petition filed against the second B report is allowed, my lord. I'm 65 years old,
So.
but
it
I'm
should not be
unable to
allowed
attend
because
the
of your
court
senior
hearings,
citizen?
my lord.
Give it, yes.
Lord, as any date in the next week.
You please give all the fresh memos, I am not giving dates. ಎಲ್ಲ fresh memo ಬರುತ್ತೆ, according to, I can't take everything on a single day. 50 matters every day I'll take, give it, yes. That's all I can tell. Please don't again pursue it, please give it.
Your lordship.
Please give it.
Your lordship, at the end of the list.
No end of the list, give
At
it.
the end of the list, your lordship. Passport renewal, my lord.
Application ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ,
My lord,
application ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Only one.
there's an urgency in the
Company
matter.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ?
Moving it.
ಹಾ ಕೊಡಿ,
Moving memo.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Fresh matter.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ,
At least
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
tomorrow.
No, tomorrow. ಕೊಡಿ.
Monday.
ಮಂಡೆ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ.
I'll call it Monday there.
ಆಯ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Your lordship. Your lordship, there is-
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು? ತಗೊಂಡಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
LOC is issued, my lords. In fact,
LOC?
LOC
No
is
problem, give
issued.
it.
DCI stayed by this
No
honorable
problem,
court.
give it.
In fact, the matter is listed today, seal number 74. my
Then
lords.
wait till that matter is taken up. Yes.
We're filing an opening application.
Your lordship,
Kindly
the-
post for 2:30 minutes.
Huh?
Compounding application.
Huh?
Compounding application, we are filing, my lords. It is-
Compounding
the matter is-
application.
Yes, my lord, the matter is settled, my lord, sir.
If it is not settled, it will be adjourned to 2027.
No, my lord.
Yes, give
Kindly
it.
post-
Your lordship, the respondent police has issued directions to the petitioner's bank to hold rupees 4 lakhs, your lordship.
Please, sir.
So
Your lordship,
230?
your lordship, there's also,
Post it after 2 weeks.
your lordship, kindly, your
Give it,
lordship,
give
at
it.
least tomorrow, your
Don't
lordship.
project pseudo urgency. Give it.
At least
No, give
tomorrow,
it.
your
Yes,
lordship.
give it.
Tomorrow, your lordship, kindly.
My lordship, one submission, my lordship. proclamation 138%.
ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ.
My lords,
ನಿಮ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಲಮೇಶನ್ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
That is the.
No
one of the-
problem.
one of the
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
Famous doctor, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಫೇಮಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
Lordship, kindly.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
Throughout country ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
138%.
Forward, sir, give it.
230 my lord.
My lords,
Lordships, kindly.
ನೋ 230 ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ತಾನೆ.
Fresh matter. Last week ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, last week.
ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Lordships, kindly, my lord.
230 my lord.
230 ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, they is there.
ನೋ ಸರ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ 300 400 ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ 230.
my lords,
Lordships, kindly, my lord. It's a pending matter, my lord, 498 against the in-laws. Now, my lord, at the instance of the wife, my lord, this honorable court had referred it to mediation. It has failed. Now, the demand by the wife, my lord, is 2 crores, which is unagreeable for, my lord. Now, the trial court, my lord, the framing of charges is slated on 28th of this month, my lord.
ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
My lords,
Before 28th, my lord, any date, my lord.
Bifoore it will come give it.
Petitioner in.
My lords.
Crime stage have secured a stay, my lord. Subsequently, charge sheet has been filed. The petition has been withdrawn. Now the
230.
charges, please, my lord. 3 memos,
Any
my
day
lord, one
before
for withdrawal,
230.
stay on the order of conviction, my lord. Without any
ಆರ್ಡರ್
reason.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 482 ನಾ.
Please, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದು
Revision ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು maintainable ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬೋರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
Tomorrow.
230 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Please, my lord.
The son files a complaint saying abatement of suicide notes.
Oh, yeah, hold it in left hand. Left hand ಯಾಕೆ? You're a lefty? Give it. Yes.
230 my lords.
No 230.
My lords, just because there's a pending.
No problem, give it sir.
My lords.
Next matter ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
my lords,
How long do I have to sit to take the memo? I am not sitting at 10 o'clock to take the memos, please give the memos. Yes, call the cases.
My lord, one submit.
Memos, nothing.
my lords, one submission.
No, there was
Give
a
the
memo,
memos, my
sir.
lord. My lord.
Please give the memos.